Good morning friends, welcome to my channel. In the past video we discussed about the past week happening events and everything, and this video we will see into the chart analysis of Bank Nifty. In the last week we discussed that Bank Nifty was sure to cross all-time high, just as we discussed here. See, all-time high was at 41,840 and it comfortably crossed above this. But thing is that in the intraday it has been from the past almost 10 to 15 sessions, it has been forming only dojis and red candles. That is, on intraday basis there is sell-off, even if there is some gap up, but there is some sell-off also. So you see, there are red candles more than green candles. Here one big green candle, that was due to it opened very low at gap down on that support, so it instantly rose up. But see here, we know that last week US CPI data has been positive for the markets, and similarly US markets rallied almost by 5% on single day. But the very next day our markets here, Nifty and Bank Nifty, they opened gap up. But see, on the last trading day, that is on Friday, they formed a doji pattern here. That means someone is not convinced with it. Now comparatively we say US markets are not at all-time high, but our markets are at all-time high. So now they are not convinced to go long or short here, so it is struggling there. Now we see intraday how it was performing. On intraday basis, we will see on 30 minutes chart, because higher time frame gives us more certainty. Let me delete this. Okay. Here see, this was on Friday. It opened with a huge gap. Still there was a sell-off, and then they rise, and then again. So it formed a doji pattern here. So there is uncertainty. It is not sure to go up or go down. Again, before that day, that was on Thursday, it opened gap down. Still then there was sell-off, again U-turn. And before that day also there was sell-off, and then recovery, and then fell. Before that day also it opened, compared to previous day, it opened gap up, but then sell off and then return. So markets are totally directionless right now, to say. They are at all-time high, that is no man's land. But here we need to be cautious, because it is continuously making dojis, intraday sell-offs, not totally going intraday upside. See, on daily charts, if you see, this is doji pattern, this is okay, not completely bullish pattern. Again red candle, and again red candle, red candle. So here I think, because Bank Nifty has been on steep rise from here, from the past few days, so I think I expect a simple correction, healthy correction, then only we can say it can go long. Moreover, we see individual banks, we see on the last Friday, only HDFC Bank was up by 5%. Only it was responsible for all the up move. If you look at other banks, ICICI Bank, everything is not convinced with positive data. Moreover, if you see here, Nifty PSU Bank Index, on Friday, Nifty PSU Bank Index, it formed a bearish engulfing pattern. Here before the day was a red candle, and on Friday it formed a total big red candle, completely engulfing previous day. And on private bank basis, okay, only private banks have formed the also doji pattern only. So here now coming to supports and resistance, here this is in no man's land. I think I expect a healthy correction here. Then only we can go. Now coming to correction point, last week we said that first support for us was 40,800. Here this time it is reversing from this zone, 41,300 zone. On Thursday, there is an expiry day. It made low of 41,320 something, but it did not break below 41,300, and it completely reversed from that zone. So now for us, first support is 41,300, again 40,800. Now we'll see on open interest analysis. See, this is for weekly expiry, Bank Nifty 17th November expiry. If you see here, last week I said that red denotes put to open interest and green denotes call open interest. If you see here, for this week, red open interest is high at 42,000, and it is the only high candle. In both green and red, only 42,000 put to open interest is high. That is almost around 30 lakhs, 60,000. But here green open interest, high open interest is at 44,000 only, nowhere near to put to open interest. So I think it is very near. If it closes below 42,000, these guys surely unwind, or maybe we get more idea when we look at monthly open interest. Last week we said that monthly open interest 40,000 has a high open interest. Still this week also they did not come forward. Only 40,000 has the high open interest, that is same 11 lakh. They did not come forward. So generally when it is monthly expiry week, both indices and individual stocks, they see a little correction. So this is expected. I think this is our analysis. Be cautious. Now Bank Nifty is in no man's land. So if it closes above this 42,300, that is a Friday high, then it can be okay, little bullish. But till then, don't go still bullish. Don't go bullish zone, because it has to close above doji high. Then only you can say again bullish. So with this, I complete my analysis. Thank you.